Today we'll be installing a new ATV rear bag. This one's made by Sunpie, and there's some assembly required. So let's get started. That was like playing with Tinker Toys as a kid. If you've got little ones, they'd probably enjoy that. All right, now we'll tuck the frame into the bag. All right, so this is what the end result looks like. There is plenty of space in there for storage. It's got a good heavy-duty zipper on it. Let's go install this on the bike and see how it looks. All right, so then we just center it up on the rack, and the install of this is pretty straightforward. There are 7 straps, so we'll just take these straps and buckle them down to the rack. All right, so that's all there is to it. Just tighten these straps up all the way around. And that's all there is to it. Looks like it's going to be a good little bag. I like the low profile on it. Places to put water bottles, maps on the outside, stuff to easily get to. So that's it. Thanks for watching.